Hello and welcome to this guided little light meditation designed to restore and balance your third eye chakra, the center of wisdom and intuition. Find a safe and comfortable position for the meditation, either sitting up nice and tall or laying down. Once you're settled, spine nice and long, close your eyes. Then bring your hands together and rub your palms, creating a little heat and friction. Then cover your eyes with the palms of your hands, allowing that heat to penetrate and soothe this area. The palms creating a little more darkness, making it a little calmer, relieving you from the strain and fatigue of excessive exposure to artificial lights. Relax into this internal calm and quiet, reacquainting yourself with your insight, your internal vision. After a few breaths, bring your hands back down alongside you if you're laying down, or place them in your lap if you're seated. Now take a moment to find and feel your breath, following the flow of your breath in and out of your body, letting yourself go further within. Relaxing your body, beginning with your toes and feet, melting away any tension. Working your way up the legs, calves melting. Knees melting. Thighs melting. Each in-breath bringing peace. Each out-breath releasing tension, allowing you to completely relax. Hips relax. Stomach and back relax. Now drawing that peace up into the shoulders, arms and neck, releasing any tension from the jaw, the eyes, anywhere in the head. Then from your forehead, gently bring your focus to your third eye chakra in the center of your forehead, centered just above your eyebrows. Feel it tingle. Begin to sense the energy you possess there. Visualize yourself strolling along a lush and clear mountain path in the still of the night. Feel the ground beneath you as you step confidently, knowing and trusting your path. You hear a friendly owl in the trees next to you. She has joined you on your journey tonight. As you make your way further on your voyage, a cloud covers the moon and you find yourself in complete darkness. You take a breath and allow your body to relax even further. You know this path. Allow your eyes to get accustomed to the darkness. You can clearly see your way. Feel the ground beneath you as you continue to step confidently on your path. You hear the owl nearby and follow her sounds. You feel completely safe and in harmony with yourself and your surroundings. You intuitively follow the path to the majestic temple carved into the mountainside. Without any hesitation, you step inside and it lights up. Its beauty is captivating. It is the most magnificent place you've ever seen. You know you belong here. Knowing and trusting your path, you continue to follow your intuition and let the path guide you to a golden staircase. You take the stairs 2 flights up. With each step up, you grow lighter, more trusting, more relaxed, knowing you're exactly where you're supposed to be. You reach the 2nd story and find several passageways. You follow your hunch and choose the path that illuminates before you. You arrive at an indigo-colored door. Open it up and step inside. You find yourself in a screening room. You make your way to a comfortable reclining chair in front of the screen and notice a beautifully wrapped indigo box on the seat. You open the box and find a radiant particle of light that glows a deep, rich violet blue. You take that tiny particle out of the box and breathe it in. It makes its way up to your third eye chakra, slightly above and between the eyebrows, joining with the indigo energy swirling there. If the energy at your third eye chakra is too fast, you're someone that is overly logical, dogmatic, authoritarian, arrogant, cynical, narrow, or closed-minded, visualize the light slowing down the energy there. If it's too slow, stagnant, or blocked, and you're someone that's too dreamy, undisciplined, fears success, lacks imagination, concentration, or focus, visualize the light speeding up the swirl. Take a few breaths to visualize that powerful indigo ball of energy at your third eye becoming smooth, steady, open, and balanced. Each inhale making the light more radiant, and each exhale making the energy more vibrant. When your third eye chakra is balanced, you see life with clarity. You're objective and possess strong intuition, insight, and imagination. You're self-aware and emotionally balanced. You're more understanding of yourself, others, and of life overall. You're open to other perspectives and curious about other ways of life. Your intuition guides you to make wise decisions grounded in reality. Feeling full of insight and wisdom with an open and balanced third eye, you look inside the box and find a note attached to a remote control. The note reads, "Think of a question that you want an answer to. Ask it clearly. Then let go of the question and any expectations. Allow your mind to relax. Tune into your third eye and press play on the remote." So take a few moments to pose this question clearly. And when you're ready, visualize yourself pressing play. You look up at the screen and everything that's going on in your mind is playing on the screen. You see your thoughts, emotions, issues, experiences, and stories floating up on the screen. Take a deep breath. Tune into and trust the powerful energy at your third eye. Picture a light come up on the screen amongst all that activity. As the light shines brighter, those external thoughts, emotions, and stories that were playing in your mind dim away. Tuned in and directly connected to your divine intuition, eventually, the only thing left on the screen is the answer to your question. See the answer clear as day. Trust in this answer, provided by your higher self for your greatest good. Feeling confident and trusting of your intuition, insight, and wisdom, you exit the room. Make your way out of the temple. You see daylight begin to break and find your owl companion at the steps waiting to accompany you back home. You make your way back knowing you can always return if you ever need it. Bring your awareness back down into your physical body. Feeling grounded and connected to your body in this moment, in this space, noticing the flow of the breath in and out. Begin to wiggle your fingers and your toes. And when you're ready, gently open your eyes. The author Napoleon Hill said, "To be a star, you must shine your own light. Follow your own path, and don't worry about darkness, for that is when the stars shine brightest." May you go into the rest of your days trusting your intuition will illuminate your path, and may your little light always shine bright. Namaste.